This is Sean at Sue Carpenter's. We got the ramp on, deck boards down. We're about to do the handrails. Let you look at it from down here. Haven't shot that many videos because we have been humping to get this thing done. Let you see how close and pretty I got it there. And here's Mr. Carpenter. And we're going to put posts here. Then we're going to handrail here, here, and all the way to the end right there. Then we're going to come at this corner. We're going to come handrail here to here, and then all the way through there. And I'm going to pull a stop, a 2x4 stop around here, and maybe a few pickets. And let's go inside so you can look at what I've got done so far in there. There's my casing for the door. I mean, for the case opening, I mean. And here's the door we put on, right here. The door's on, and cased opening frame. We ended up thinking it would be better to just have an entrance to this right here because we did not have enough room to get a 3.0 in here with the vanity and all that. So we ended up putting the case opening on the wall of his bedroom. It's drywalled in. It's ready to be set.